everyone, it's Robin and welcome back to Happy at Home. Now that December has rolled around, I have two major things on my mind. The first one being finding unique and fun gifts for friends and family. And the second thing is, what type of planner am I going to get for 2019? Well, lucky for me, today's video will take care of both of those things. Now, I may be the only one like this, but I get very excited about a fresh new planner, and picking one out is a very big deal. I use my planner on a daily basis to keep track of appointments, kids' schedules, volleyball practices, birthdays, vacations, all that sort of stuff for both myself and my family. Plus, I use it to plan things out ahead of time, like what am I going to have for dinner on Tuesday night? What am I going to plan to clean on Monday morning? And then what video am I supposed to be sharing on Friday? That all goes into my planner. I also like to use my planner to keep important information, which I want easy access to, but I won't necessarily remember off the top of my head. That way it makes it easy. I don't just go dig through a filing cabinet to find what I'm looking for. Things like shot lists for the kids if they need it for school for some reason, or summer camp or something like that, or a list of prescriptions that various people in my family are on, or Christmas or birthday gift ideas, which I'll forget in 2 hours if I don't write down. That's all in my planner as well. And then finally, I use my planner to make lists. I love to make a list. It's so much fun and so satisfying. So I use my planner to make to-do lists, shopping lists, project lists, any sort of list that I feel like having that day. It all goes in my planner. So basically my planner is my go-to for keeping myself, my family, and my home organized. And finding a planner that can accommodate all of those things is sometimes sort of tricky. Which is why I was very excited when Clever Fox Planners asked me to take a look at their planners and see what I thought. Now, I had never heard of Clever Fox before, so of course I jumped onto their website and started looking around, and it didn't take me long to realize that their page layouts were going to work perfectly for me. And the list maker lover in me was very excited. Clever Fox Planners offers two types, a 12-month weekly calendar or a 6-month daily calendar, both of which are undated and geared towards keeping you on task, motivated, and organized. So I had a hard time deciding between the two, but in the end I picked the 12-month weekly planner because I thought that would work the best for me. So today I'm planning on giving you a quick walkthrough of the planner that I have to show you all the different features that the Clever Fox planner has, and then I'm going to walk you through filling in a weekly spread so you can see how I plan to use my new planner. So when that is all finished, I will come back and we will talk about the fun giveaway that Clever Fox has put together for my subscribers, and I'll share with you all the information you need to get entered into the giveaway. So let's go ahead and get started. The planner arrived in this cute box, and don't you just love their logo? Inside the box were 3 sets of activity stickers, which come in very handy. Also included was a 2-sided informational pamphlet, which walks you through how to use each section of the planner. And then of course we have the planner itself. I picked this vibrant hot pink color, but it does come in 4 other shades. It has an elastic band to keep it nice and tidy looking, plus it has 3 ribbon bookmarks. This is the non-dated weekly planner set up for productivity, passions, motivation, happiness, and focus. There is also a daily planner option. The front of the planner is very classic looking with the logo etched into the cover, giving it a nice sleek look. The front page has space for you to add your contact information, and the next 2 pages include space for self-reflection. First, there's a gratitude and self-awareness section with space to list out all the blessings you're grateful for, followed by a section asking you what you're passionate about and what brings you the most joy in your life. On the following page, there's a section to list habits or skills you'd like to learn, and at the bottom, space to fill in self-affirmation, which can be a very powerful tool. The next 2 pages are dedicated to making yourself a vision board, which I think is such a fun idea for a planner. The following 2 pages are for goal planning. There are 8 different categories and each has space to list 3 goals. The categories are health, business, career, family and friends, significant other and romance, finance, personal development, fun and recreation, and spiritual. The next 2 pages take your goal planning one step further by picking your top 5 goals for the year on the first page, and on the second page you can use the mind mapping section to break down each goal into manageable steps you want to take to reach your goals. And that brings us to the monthly spread. There's space at the top to add the month and the year, and then a nice big section in the middle to plan out your activities for the month. The column on the left is for planning, with 5 boxes to help you stay focused. There's a box for habits to adopt, skills to learn, things to avoid, places to go, and people to see. And then down at the bottom of the page is a nice big section to list out your goals for the month. And then on the opposite side, there's space for end of the month reflection. You can list out 3 wins from the month and 3 ways you think you can improve for the following month. All 12 monthly spreads are grouped together in the front of the planner, which I think is an awesome feature. After the monthly spreads, we come to the 2-page weekly layout. I really love how they have this set up. On the left, you have space to fill in all your Monday through Sunday activities, and on the right, a whole page for goals, notes, and lists. On the left, each day receives a nice big section for you to plan your day. On the opposite page at the top, there's a box to list the week's main goals and the week's priorities, followed by a large section for notes. Below that is a box for your to-do list, and then a fun habit or skills tracking box. And finally, at the end of the week, you can reflect back and list out your 3 weekly wins and 3 ways to improve for next week. After the weekly layout pages comes the notes section. This section is set up with a dot grid, so you can easily do some bullet journaling here, or of course, you can use it however you like. And look how many pages they give you. Oh, I love that. I am a big list maker, so this will come in very handy. And finally, on the back cover, there's an expanding pocket to easily hold whatever you need. After looking through the whole planner, some of my favorite features is the elastic band to hold it all together and the handy pen loop. I also really like the 3 ribbon page markers. I can use one for each major section of the planner and then easily switch and navigate between the sections. The habits and skill tracker section I think will become very motivating. And finally, my favorite feature, which I really like, is the fact that the planner lays open nice and flat with no annoying coils to have to work around. Now that you've had a good look around the whole planner, I'm going to walk you through how I plan to use the weekly spread to keep myself on track and motivated. I have decided to break each daily box into 3 sections so I can easily, at a glance, check what I have planned. So using a ruler as a guide, I customized the daily spread to my liking. When I was finished, I had a nice big section to list any appointments or activities for the family or myself, a place to list the day's dinner plan, and finally a place to list the video I plan to share for the day. For the weekend, I broke the daily box into 2 sections, one for appointments and activities and one for dinner plans. And then after adding the dates to the week, it was time to start filling in the planner and getting everything all scheduled. On Monday, my local thrift store had a 50% off sale, so I put that in there so I wouldn't forget. For dinner, I plan to have tacos, and for the video of the day, it's a shop haul and a shop with me. On Tuesday, Zoe babysits after school. For dinner, we're having pancakes with sausage. And the video of the day is a thrift store shop. I continued filling in the whole week in the same method until the whole page was filled in and my week was planned out. I then moved on to the second page and the fun part, list making. With this being the week before Thanksgiving, most of my list will consist of prepping for the big day. I used the main goals section to list out all the prep work I wanted to get done this week. In the priorities section, I listed 4 items that would set me up nicely for both next week and the month in general. In the notes section below, I kept blank so I could use it throughout the week as needed. Then moving down to the to-do list section, I'll be using this area to keep track of the videos I want to work on making this week. I then added a few items to the habit and skills tracker area to keep me motivated throughout the week. Looks to me like I did a pretty good job list making. And then of course I had to add a few stickers, because what's a planner without a few stickers to jazz things up? And that, my friends, is how I'll be using my new planner. I have lots of space to keep track of my day-to-day activities, plus it's compact enough that I can easily slip it in my purse and bring it with me on the go. Alright, so I hope that gave you a good look at the planner itself and gave you some ideas on how you can use it. I chose the week of right before Thanksgiving to share with you for a reason, because I knew it was going to be a very busy week for me leading up to hosting Thanksgiving in my home. So I wanted to give you a really good look at how much space there was for you to plan all the different aspects of a busy week. So I'm hoping that that turned out to be helpful for you. So I am very excited about this planner, and I'm excited about the giveaway which Clever Fox Planners has put together for us. So let's talk about the giveaway. Clever Fox Planners will be giving away to one lucky winner their choice of either the 12-month weekly planner or the 6-month daily planner. Unfortunately, at this time, you must be a U.S. resident to be entered into the giveaway. Because there always needs to be some rules with a giveaway, here they are. In order to be eligible to win a free planner from Clever Fox Planners, you must do the following 3 things. Number 1, leave me a comment down below and answer this question. What feature of the planner do you like the most? That's pretty simple. Number 2, follow me on Instagram. That's pretty easy too. And number 3, follow Clever Fox Planners on Instagram. And that's it. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think the best part of the planner is. Follow me on Instagram. Follow Clever Fox Planners on Instagram, and you are entered into the giveaway. This contest will be open until December 10th, 2018 at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. So that gives you 5 days to enter the giveaway. Then on December 11th, I will share a new video and announce the winner of the giveaway. Along with this giveaway, Clever Fox Planners will be offering a 20% discount on their website to my subscribers if you use the coupon code GET20 OFF. This coupon code is good through December 31st, 2018. So even if I don't announce your name on December 11th, you can still get a 20% off discount on their website for a new planner for yourself. And don't forget to use the coupon for those pesky Christmas lists you all have too. I think a new planner for any adult on your list would be amazing. Not to mention like college and high school students, I think they would find it very helpful as well. So don't forget to use the coupon code. Everything you need to know about the giveaway and the discount code will be down in the description box, so check that out if you have any questions. Alright, so that is it for me today. Make sure you enter the giveaway and come back to my channel on December 11th when I announce the winner of the giveaway. And I also want to just thank you for stopping by today and hanging out with me. I appreciate it. And a big thanks to Clever Fox Planners for hosting this giveaway. And I guess I will see you again very soon in my next video. Bye now.